Hi guys, today I'm eating what I want again. I have been wanting to eat because there's a new update and I want pink food. Pink. Just pink. Let's give Lulu. This. Oh, it was already full. Oh, not. Okay, let's go. I only want pink food. And yes, guys, I am wearing pink today. I mostly wear I mostly wear pink outfits, pink shoes, slippers, pink anything. And I love pink. Why is it giving sound? Okie dokie, more popcorn. For Chicky. And there you go. And let's go. Okay, we're back again. Now let's go to the delivery. Let's see if there's any pink here. This pink. Oh my. Pink. No, there's only one pink there. Strawberry. Ice cream. I love ice cream. Even though I'm so sick right now. Hey. Okay, let's go. Whee! Yum, 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 yum. I don't know why, but I love chips. Yum, yum, yum. Delicious. It's so good. I can do my choice. Let's go. Let's eat some more. So there you go. Now let's go again to the mini mart. I love it. Wait. Oh, I can't. I don't have no can. Only pig food. This. Strawberry. And strawberry is almost pink. So yeah. Yum, 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 yum. Let's go. Let's go. Yum, 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 yum. Even though my mom is getting minus some.
Ready to
Oh!
load.
Okie dokie. The cat looks cute. So much. Let's open this. Why there have no sounds? Yum. This is strawberry. And this. Yum yum. Strawberry and pink. That's the rule. Yum yum. Point I have any reviews. Yum yum. Yum. This is good. Okay, let's find more. I don't think there's any more pink food, so this is might be the last one in the mart. Oh my. Open sesames. Oh, why am I lagging so much? This is pink. No, the inside is not pink though. Strawberry milk. marshmallow. Marshmallow. Is there any more pink? There's no more, I think. Well, is that so? If is that marshmallow, infinite marshmallows. I do not know. Oh my, I'm lagging from the infinite marshmallows. There, let's go. Oh my god, I'm so lagging. Guys, my Tangolo Master has to be close. I know. My Tangolo, let's just wait for it to be working again. So, bye guys. I hope I'll see you again.